Good morning, good morning. I'm getting ready to take these Wrap-a-Locs out of my hair and just wanted to come and say good morning and let you see the results. I believe this is going to be a self-care day because I have a doctor's appointment this morning, just a regular doctor's appointment for my regular exam. Nothing is going wrong. And I am going to, for the sake of time, I am going to be cutting these ponytail holders out of my hair. I have so many, it's okay. Cutting is definitely faster. I may let these drop during the day. I might, depends on what the back of my hair looks like. I'll loosen it up a little bit in the car. That's what I'll do. Yes. I'm sitting at a red light. That's why I can use two hands. All right, guys, so I'm at my doctor's appointment now. Already saw the the nurse for the intake. My vitals look good. We discussed the difference between the electronic blood pressure machine and using the other one where you pump, the manual. And with the electronic, my blood pressure was higher, but with the manual, it was lower and in a very good range. I was happy to hear that. And I'm waiting for the doctor to come in, and it doesn't usually take a long time. And this is just some of the separation that I did in my hair while I was driving in the car. And I'll see you soon. So I ordered a blueberry scone, and I am waiting on my caramel macchiato with almond milk.
You got it?
I got it. I'm trying to vlog and vote at the same time. Thank you. All right, you too. I am now back in the car from Starbucks. Just wanted to get some coffee. I got a caramel macchiato, hot, with soy milk. And I have a blueberry scone. I didn't have breakfast this morning before going to my doctor's appointment. I really thought I was going to have blood work done. Oh, this scone looks so good. I'm going to take it out and show it to you. It's big and it's warm, and I'm gonna go ahead and take a bite. It is so good. I am channeling, I love bright colors. She loves to show her food and talk about how good it is. This is good. This may not be what she would be eating, because I think she eats a healthier kind of diet than I do. I will show you my next stop, which is probably going to be home.
You're welcome.
I thought these were interesting. Mm-hmm. I picked up 5 pieces. I'm going to try those on. I may let you see what they look like, and then at the end, I'll tell you what I chose. I hope it's as beautiful where you are as it is where I am right now. They're letting me go by, going to my car. And you guys, I came for one thing that I could not find, and I bought several things. Yeah, I may show you later. I just might. I am going to go ahead and show you what I purchased in TJ Maxx, because when I get home, I just might not have the time or take the time to do it. I do have to go to the salon later on today to do a retightening for a former co-worker. And so I'm going to go ahead and show you what I have. But I want you to know that I have notifications set up on my TJ Maxx rewards card. I just got a text from TJ Maxx saying that my purchase exceeded, it just exceeded what I put down for my notification. So that tells you that I purchased, yeah, that's what I did. So I was really looking for more of the apple cider vinegar products that I found earlier, but they didn't have any. And so then I started wandering around, but I was able to get some Shea Moisture raw shea butter for skin moisture. There it is. And I purchased that for $5.99. I also have always liked, and I still use, the coconut hibiscus hold and moisture shine mist. Usually I will mix it with water if I miss my hair. And then as I got to the register, I was drawn in by the candles. Now, what I liked about the candle was the top of the candle. This is what I liked. And then I gave it a sniff. This video should have smell-o-vision, because this is a pineapple coconut candle. I don't know if I can fix that so you can read it, because I think there's too much glare, but it is by Sand and Fog. And it is just wonderful. It's made with natural and essential oils. Well, of course, that's not all there is to it. I have these little round mats that are on my dining room table, and I decided to replace them. It comes in a set of 6. This is what it looks like. Slowly give you that look. That what it looks like. And I paid $9.99 for these 6, and they're bendable, movable. I also decided to purchase my at-home nail salon, because today is a self-care day, and I decided that this is what I wanted. And I purchased it because whenever I'm doing my nails, I will always move and just get them all smudged. I don't like getting my nails done at the nail salon for some reason, but I will get a pedicure at the nail salon. And so this will be my at-home nail kit. It also comes with some gel nail stickers. It has a mini nail file in it, the wood pusher, and the instruction manual. This was on clearance. It was $12, and it is by Tahari, and it is a gown and bathrobe. I'm trying to get you to see what it looks like. It's pink with some white in it. There, I think it's better. There it is. Sleepwear. I just got some shapewear, and I also purchased that satin pillowcase. I'm going to use this. As a matter of fact, it's a 2-pack satin pillowcase, and it's $7.99. I think that's well worth the price. I tried on 5 things, but I didn't purchase any of those things. They just didn't fit me right. The medium top that was like lace was too tight on me. So I decided to buy a large because it was not true to size. And this is what it looks like. I just love it. I figured that I could dress this up or down. I can wear this with some khakis if I want to, going out to dinner, or dress it up wearing a skirt. But it's really nice. And then I decided to purchase this also by Tahari, this sleeveless top, wear with jeans or under a blazer. I just thought that would go really nice. And everything else is pretty much, you know, shapewear. And I did get some nail polish, but right now, yeah, I did get some nail polish as well. So I can take care of my nails, have my nails looking cute, just like the rest of my body. But that's pretty much what I purchased from TJ Maxx. I didn't have a budget for TJ Maxx, and I haven't really been shopping. So I didn't really feel bad about my purchases, and I'm going to use them all. Things are opening up, so I'll get to wear my clothes more, and I'm really happy about that. Now it's not even 12 o'clock yet. That tells you how early I left home. I had an 8:30 doctor's appointment. You've been wherever I've been, and now I am headed home.